Okay, our instructions say graph the point, the y-intercept. Use the slope to find other points. Draw the line through the entire graph. So on number 1, we're going to start at the y-intercept is -5. 0, now I go -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I look at the slope. It's positive. So that means I'm going to be going uphill. All right, and I'm going to go up 2 and over 3. It's 2, 3. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is it. Now, if you wanted to, you could even graph more points. See, like from this point right here, I can go up 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Up 2, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. You can graph more points, even down 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can graph as many points you want. It just helps you make a straighter line. Okay, line through all the points. Go through the entire graph, edge to edge. And there's your line. Okay, let's go on to number 2. The point here, the y-intercept is 0, 2. The y-intercept is just 2. So on the y-axis, I go to 2. 1, 2. And the slope is negative, so that means it's going to go downhill. Something like that, downhill. And so it looks like the numbers are 1 and 4. 1 and 4, so I'm going to go up 1 and over 4. Up 1. Now do I go to the right or to the left? It's negative. It's like that. So I'm going to have to go to the left. Up 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? I'm going to keep going some more. Up 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to do that, but I like to put as many dots as possible. I go back to my y-intercept. I go down 1 over 4. Where am I getting the numbers 1 and 4? From my slope. 1 and over 4. Down 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again. 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of fun, actually. All right, then I'll take... this is what nerds like to do on their off time. Okay, I'll line that up. Go all the way through the graph. Arrows at the end. Voila, there you go. There's your line. And again, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Hey, if this is the y-intercept, what do you think this point is called right here? That's called the x-intercept because it crosses the x-axis. Okay, you can complete the rest of that. Let's turn over our page to the other side, OH. And here's the instructions. It says, looking back at OG, the other side, for graphs 1 through 6, these 6 graphs, write an equation using the slope and point. For example, let's say you have a slope and then there's the point. We're going to write an equation like this. Notice that we're going to put the slope right here. See the slope right in front of the x? That's our slope. And this point right here is right there. Plus 7. Okay, and then we graph it again. We graph it. So let's turn our paper over. Let's find out what was the slope. What was the slope on number 1 on the other side? I turn it over. The slope was 2/3. 2/3. So I'm going to write that right here. 2/3. Next, I'm going to write down my y-intercept, the point that I used. So I'm going to turn it over. And the point that I used was -5. -5. That's the y-intercept, negative 5. So I'll turn it over, and I write down minus 5. Hey, that's an equation right there. We can graph that line. Matter of fact, let's just do that. Remember, you start at negative 5, the y-intercept. So I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, my eyes are going bad. Next, I'm going to go, it's positive 2, up 2 over 3. Right? It's going this way. So I go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. If that's all the points you want, that's fine. Just you need 3 points. Then from here, I'll go down 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm getting those numbers, the 2, 3, from right here, the slope. Okay, that's it. If you just want to do 3 dots, that's fine. Where's my pen? There it is. There you go. Hey, look at that. This equation is this line. This line is all the solutions, for this equation. Remember when we did that before? Well, now we can just look at it and write it out. We don't need to make a table. We can just look at it and graph it. Let's go to the next one, number 2. Number 2, let's turn it over to the other side. The slope was negative 1/4. So I'll write that down. Negative 1/4. And then the y-intercept that we used was 2. 0 to 2. That was the y-intercept right there. So I'll say plus 2, because it's positive 2. If it was negative 2, I would say minus. And now I simply graph those. Okay, so I'm going to start at 2. 1, 2. It's going to go downhill. I'm going to go up 1 and over 4. Up 1 and 4. 1, 4. And it's going to go downhill. So I'll go up 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you don't have to do more than 3 points if you don't wish. Next, I'll do down 1 and over 4. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you just want 3 points, that's fine, but at least 3. Take a straight edge. Oops, a little too long. There you go. So this equation is this line. This line represents all the answers for the solutions to this equation. Okay, so now you can even graph without using a table. So, going back over the side, and by the way, you'll notice the graphs are the same. Look at number 1 and 2 on OG side. Now look at it again. Is it right? Yeah, that's right. It's just different color. Okay, you go ahead and complete the rest of these. Actually, I'm going to do one more with you because I dig doing this. I like this stuff. All right, so this is number 3 on OG. I'm going to start at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The slope is positive. That means it's going to go uphill. And my numbers are 1 and 3. Up 1 over 3. So from the y-intercept, up 1 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. I went this way because it's positive. Now I'll go down 1 over 3. Down 1 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There's 3 points. If you want to do more, go down 1 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Just keep going. 1 and then 3. All you really need is just 3, but if you want to do more, go ahead. Knock yourself out. Draw a line through it. Yada yada. All the way to the edge, though. Don't go part way. and use a straight edge. There you go. Now flip it over and do the same thing. Write it in the equation. Okay, I will now leave you to do the rest.